Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Waze and signing in so your edits are attributed. This also unlocks more reporting features. Once done, confirm device GPS is on and Waze has location permission because inaccurate GPS creates wrong pins. Next, gather the location details you'll enter: exact address, official name, and one clear street-level photo. These essentials speed the process and reduce review time. Now tap the map to begin adding or editing a place. You'll now use the report menu. Tap the orange button, choose place, and pick add or edit depending on what exists. When adding, type the official name and full street address, then choose the correct category so it appears in searches. This matters for routing and filters. Place the pin precisely at the entrance, set hours and parking details, and upload your clear photo. Make sure to add phone and website if available, because the more complete the listing, the faster it gets verified. After finishing, submit your place and jot down any edit ID or confirmation so you can follow up. Verification happens server-side or via the Waze Map Editor community. Once approved, the place appears in search and routing. If your submission is rejected, read the reviewer notes, fix the specific issue, often an address or photo, and resubmit. If things go wrong, clear app cache, force close, and re-login, and if still blocked, reach out to local map editors through the Waze community for guidance to resolve conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.